In Medellin, Colombia, you will find beautiful women, you will find amazing artwork, amazing weather, amazing everything.
Smells good. We gotta get some of this. Yo, that's wild. Now, Comuna 13 used to be run by violent drug organizations who basically used to use this area to transit drugs in and throughout the city. My son has an AK-47 tatted on his face. Despite all the improvements, you know, that they've done to this neighborhood, it still remains quite poor and it's not completely safe. You scared? We're going up here. I don't even know if you're allowed up here. I'm taking a chance and I'm risking my safety. Every time I try to stop, she don't let me stop. She make me turn around. Boy, CP. What's up, y'all? It's your boy, the Life of CB, and I'm back with another video. And today we are in La Comuna 13, Medellin, Colombia. Let's go. I'm gonna take y'all through a walking tour. If you've never been here, it's your first time, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Shout out to the Life Familia. You know how we give it up. People giving the tours and shit. Look at those stairs, mira. Mira.
Vení, te tomo una foto ahí, ¿no?
Where? ¿Dónde? ¿Aquí? Sí. I don't know if I could even be recording this, yo. Bienvenidos. Boy CP. Just one of the spots I happen to stop in. Really nice artwork. People in here taking photos. Everything lights up. We out here. It's real dope. This is supposedly used to be one of the most dangerous neighborhoods in Medellin. Que chimba. Estoy en Colombia, Medellin, Comuna 13. You could definitely find some cool artwork out here. I mean, look at this. Custom jackets, man. You know what I'm saying? The artwork out here is magnificent. Man, this is really breathtaking, man, to see. Like, the scenery here is just another level, man. The houses, the community, the energy, the colors, the graphics, the art is really another level, man. If you're ever in Medellin, Colombia, I definitely recommend you come here and you gotta check this place out, man. Like the town in the distance, thousands of houses, it's crazy. You can order all your little accessories to take back home. Get some good drinks out here. So Comuna 13 used to be one of Colombia's most notorious neighborhoods, but they have definitely turned this place around. It is a place where, as you can see, people gather together, have fun, spend time with family, and take in these breathtaking sights. Throughout the 80s and 90s, this place, you wouldn't want to be caught here. But as you can see, they've cleaned it up, and it's definitely a place you got to come see. It smells good. We got to get some of this. We definitely got to get some of this. What's good? ¿Cuál es bueno? Okay, yeah.
Pero no dices que vamos a ir por la...
You want to go somewhere else? Busca otra? Okay. Tell her. I was going to try it, but she want to go try something different. I smelled that good food. I was ready to get it in. I ain't gonna lie. I stop at the first place I see. So in 2002, the president launched the Operation Orion, in which they put on a full-on assault to tackle the drug crime. You know, they came in to clean things up. I mean, just look at the art, man. Let me get a michelada, please. Most said they got micheladas here. Over there?
Yo me voy a sentar.
So I ain't gonna lie, this joint in the red got the crazy donkey, yo. Every time I try to stop, she don't let me stop. She make me turn around. I'm gonna take her word though. She might know what she's talking about. This is one of the most colorful driving neighborhoods in Medellin. Oh, look at this. I guess this is, they make some type of juice right here. You know, now that I'm kind of away from the people, I could kind of record my video with my hand all the way out. Don't worry about nobody. So I actually read online that despite all the improvements, it still remains quite poor and it's not completely safe. So I wouldn't come out here with your jewelry, even me coming out here with this Osmo pocket and stuff like that. I'm taking a chance and I'm risking my safety. I like to think I got God on my side, so I don't really be worried about that type of stuff. You know what I'm saying? Look at this, y'all. He's a wild guy. One mistake right over that balcony. It's so lively out here. Well, that's a spot there. Let's go there. CB, Medellin, you already know.
So you can also definitely get some great food up here and some micheladas with this platter with plantains and different kind of meats and stuff like that, overlooking the city.
So I just finished eating at the restaurant upstairs. Really dope place, great pictures, good music, decent picket food. If you just want some fast food, it's a great place to just go up there and eat and experience the whole thing. So I'm going up here to see if I can fly the drone for y'all. You scared? We're going up here. I don't even know if you're allowed up here. Ask him. I don't even know if we could be up here. This is somebody's crib or something. Aquí? You know, say. All right, so I ain't want to try to fly the drone up there. It wasn't enough space, and it was literally right next to somebody's house. And I want to make sure that I'm comfortable when I'm putting this thing in the air. So I'm going to walk around, and I'm going to see if I can get a good spot to fly the drone for y'all. It's that much prettier at nighttime, man. Look at this, beautiful. It's fire out here, I ain't gonna lie to you. So I definitely recommend you guys come out here to Comuna 13. I don't know what happened, it kind of fell off me, the gimbal, but as you can see, I mean, it's so beautiful over here. I'm really having a good time, I'm really enjoying myself. I'm actually about to leave. I was supposed to go to this thing, the taxi cabs that ride in the sky, but I don't think that's gonna happen. These are my guerrilla style videos, you know, we just making sure we get good quality, but it ain't gotta be perfect. We just gonna bring you into the life with us. Girls in the salon getting their hair done over here in Comuna 13. You guys, you know, if you guys see anything funny in the video or anything that I didn't pick up on, go ahead and drop it in the comments. Because I'm going to spot a lot of stuff that I didn't see or notice when I go back and play it back to myself. Look at that. It's a lot of restaurants and people partying in the night. And I've heard don't come here in the nighttime, but apparently that doesn't seem to be like a problem because there's so many people out here. So, I mean, I don't really know who's telling the truth. Everybody's looking at me with this thing in my hand. I don't think they've ever, I know, wow. It looks beautiful. All right, let me show y'all. I had took a picture over here earlier. A lot of people crowd around here to get a good view. I'm telling you, Colombia, man, these views are remarkable. I'm kind of imagining this is what Brazil is gonna be like. For some reason, I feel like this is similar to the favelas. I'm not really sure. But as you can see, I mean, it's very beautiful. The lights are like twinkling off in the distance. How many people would you say live out there? If somebody can hit me with the facts in the comments, that would be great. All right, y'all. And with that, I'm going to go ahead and conclude this walking tour of La Comuna 13. I hope you enjoyed it. If you've been here before, what was your experience? How did you like it? And would you like to come here if you haven't been here? It's your boy CB, and I'm signing out.
Celebramos en 3, 2, 1, tiempo con todo el amor que tengo en mi corazón. Siempre lo saco con la improvisación. A los días grises les doy color. Escribiendo letras y rapeando con el micrófono. Si yo digo Comuna, you say 13. Comuna,
13.
Comuna.
13.
Aquí las tengo, para que no mal piensen. Comuna,
13.
Comuna.
13.
Bienvenidos a la 13, donde la arte prevalece, donde poco crece. Pero yo ven, era un barrio muy caliente, pero todo ha cambiado. Muchos somos artistas, ninguno ha matado. Saludos a ese que vengan a visitar, que los hayan escuchado. Y yo lo hago con todo el amor. Que si yo digo hip, you say hop. Con el hip, con el hip. No lo escucho hacerle pueón. Con el hip, con el hip. El hip hop en el barrio, en la transformación.
Hey, number one, that was a good job. ¿Cómo se llama?
Hey, my name is Adrian.
¿En cuántos años tienes?
12.
And he's rapping like that, man. I like, comment, subscribe, all right?